Brian Bowersock here with the West Automotive Group. Today we're talking about passive restraint systems. You might say, what's a passive restraint system? Well, better known as airbag systems. These are systems that actually keep you safe along with your seatbelt. One of the nice things at the West Automotive Group, if you come in, is when we put your VIN number in our system, it will tell us if you have an open active recall. If you do have an airbag recall that you've gotten notice on and not taken care of, please make an appointment to get it handled with the manufacturer, as it is no charge to you. And we want to keep everybody safe out there. There's a lot more to these systems than most people think. We have everything now from proximity sensors to control modules. We have a thing called a clock spring that's actually in your steering wheel that the outside airbag rides on. It allows the system to turn as far as the wiring connections, etc. We of course have airbags then in the steering wheel and dash. We now have side airbags actually that will protect you from side impact crashes, etc. These systems are very important to keep active. If you do have an airbag light, SRS light on the dash, please get it addressed right away, as the system is in bypass when there is a light on. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFNB.